There's a lot of things that can adversely affect your life about an injunction. First of all, the most obvious thing is you can't have contact anymore for the period of the injunction with the person who is being protected by the injunction. In other words, the person who's the victim or the petitioner in the injunction. The second thing that can happen is that if there's children involved, the child support, the visitation, the contact at all with the children, all of those things can be addressed and affected by the entry of an injunction. The third thing that can be a consequence of having an injunction entered against you is that if you're stopped by the police or anyone runs a background check, the fact that you have an injunction is going to pop up, and it can affect the way that you're treated by those people. Another consequence of having an injunction against you is that you're not allowed to have any firearms during the course or during the time that the injunction is active. So if you have any firearms, you're going to have to turn them over normally to the sheriff's office, and you won't be able to have them anymore until the injunction is dissolved. Another consequence can be that if you are arrested for violating that injunction, then the offense of violation of injunction is criminal. So you can be prosecuted separately in criminal court for violating that injunction. Injunctions are very serious. The time period can vary depending on the judge, depending on the jurisdiction. Sometimes injunctions can be even as short as 60 days. Most commonly, they're 6 months, they're a year or 2 years. But an injunction can be permanent. In other words, it stays in effect forever until and unless it's dissolved by the court.